once again you are welcome you to Mahanadi Time Media Production. This is the bank of river Mahanadi, Sambalpur Municipal Corporation, ward number 19, Ghungati-Pada area, and it is just side of the ring road. You see, this is Sambaleshwari temple and this is the Ghungati-Pada area. Let we go inside and see what exactly happening there. You see, this is the Ghungati-Pada area and PSD supplying water to the people here. You see how people are taking water from here. You see this. This is a Pada area. You see. This is a Pada area. You see. And this is just 15 kilometers away. Hirakud Dam, the world's longest earth dam, is there. And this is the Pause area, middle of the Sambalpur Municipal Corporation. You see, there are more than 200 families. They are residing here and they are depending upon this PSD water supply, and it has been supplied by the PSD by way of the tankers. You see how they are supplying the water. People are coming and they are taking water from here every day morning. PSD supplying the waters. You see, this is the Pada area. This has lead to Sambaleshwari temple, this road. The pain is that since last independence 72 years we are observing, but here the people are not able to get clean water. So they are depending upon the PSD water supply and the tankers coming every day. So there are a lot of water facilities on side of the bank of river Mahanadi. It is very strange and very sorry that these people are still not able to get water from the state. And you see the position here. So we urge on behalf of Mahanadi Times Media Production, local peoples and as a whole the inhabitant of this area, let the governments provide the waters to all these people. But this particular area come under the Samlay project. So these people will be evicted from this place and they will be settled somewhere else. But you see these problems here. So this is not a single place. We simply ask the government look into the matters. Not only in the pen and paper. You see the problem here. How these people are residing here. This is, you see. So we urge the government and district administrations and local representatives present and our Sansad, please look into the matters and do the effort. At least the minimum amenities, the basic fundamental right of a citizen of the nations should be fulfilled. At least they should have clean, pure drinking waters by means of pipe, and then after our independence will be truly meaningful. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.